Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the Hello Kitty. So let's get begin. First I draw the body, then face, then her ears and a little bow. Then I draw her cute little eyes.
If you're happy and you know it, then your face will
And
surely
nose.
show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your
Now I
hands.
make the hand which is holding the ice cream.
If you're
Yes,
happy
the Hello
and you
Kitty
know
is
it's
enjoying the
happy.
summer ice cream.
If you're happy and you know
Now
it,
let's
stomp
draw
your
the
feet.
whiskers together.
If you're happy and you know it, then your face
I
will
make the
surely
another
show it.
hand.
If you're happy and
Then
you
the
know it,
sprinkles
stomp
on
your
the ice
feet.
cream. Now friends, let's come and color the Hello Kitty together. I take the purple for the button and dark pink for her bow. From the dark pink, I make her two cute cheeks. Now color with light
If
pink.
you're happy and you know it, do all three. If you're happy,
Are you
and
guys
know
coloring
it, do
with
all
me?
three. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, do all three.
Now I take peach for her legs and hands. I take brown color to make the check on cone. Then I color the ice cream with dark pink, orange, and light blue.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was
Then I fill the colors on in sprinkles.
sad. Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Every
I color her face with light pink.
was sure to go. He followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day.
Friends, are you coloring and drawing the Hello Kitty together?
It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb and
Wow, the kitty looks so beautiful. I take the black marker to enhance the outer lines of the Hello Kitty.
turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about.
Amazing!
Patiently and waited patiently.
If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.